Refresher Series Number 1. Plumbing Arithmetic. July 2025 Mple. Number 1 polygon with infinite sides. A. Paragon. B. A paragon. C. Centagon. D. Ziliogon. Answer: a paragon. 2. For any two triangles, if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of the other, and if the two sides of one triangle are proportional to two sides of the other, they are what kind of triangles? A. Complementary. B. Supplementary. C. Similar. D. Dissimilar. Answer: similar. 3. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is always A. Unaligned. B. More than 90 degrees. C. Less than 90 degrees. D. 90 degrees. Answer: 90 degrees. 4. A factor repeated to produce a power is A. Numerator. B. Square. C. Quotient. D. Root. Answer: root. 5. A polygon with 10 sides is A. Dodecagon. B. Undecagon. C. Decagon. D. Tendecagon. Answer: decagon. 6. Two angles having the same vertex and the side of one is the prolongation of the side of the other is A. Acute angle. B. Scalene angle. C. Obtuse angle. D. Vertical angle. Answer: vertical angle. 7. The volume of the cube is equal to the cube of the measure of its A. Angle. B. Corner. C. Edge. D. Diagonal. Answer: edge. 8. If each two lines is perpendicular to the same line, then the lines are A. Perpendicular. B. Parallel. C. Tangent. D. Converging. Answer: parallel. 9. Is a branch of mathematics dealing with integers and more generally numeral computation. A. Algebra. B. Trigonometry. C. Geometry. D. Arithmetic. Answer: arithmetic. The power to which a number is raised is indicated by a small superior figure called A. Logarithm. B. Increment. C. Exponent. D. Mantissa. Answer: exponent. 11. A number that be exactly divided by 2 is A. Real. B. Odd. C. Integer. D. Even. Answer: even. 12. A space that is devoid of matter in which the pressure is 0. A. Block hole. B. Outer space. C. Vacuum. D. Inner space. Answer: outer space. 13. Decrease in the value of a physical property due to the passage of time. A. Inflation. B. Depletion. C. Recession. D. Depreciation. Answer: depreciation. 14. We may classify an interest rate which specifies the actual rate of interest on the principal for 1 year as A. Nominal rate. B. Rate of return. C. Exact interest rate. D. Effective rate. Answer: effective rate. 15%. The ratio of the interest payment to the principal for a given unit of time and usually expressed as a percentage of the principal. A. Interest. B. Interest rate. C. Investment. D. Rate. Answer: interest rate. 16%. Additional information of prospective bidders on contract documents issued prior to bidding date. A. Depict. B. Escalate. C. Assessment. D. Bid bulletin. Answer: bid bulletin. 17. The acceleration is the mass of the object. A. Directly proportional to. B. Inversely proportional to. C. Directly proportional to the square of. D. Inversely proportional to the square of. Answer: inversely proportional to. 18. Reduction in the level of national income and output usually accompanied by the fall in the general price level? A. Devaluation. B. Deflation. C. Inflation. D. Depreciation. Answer: deflation. 19. It is a series of equal payment occurring at equal interval of time? A. Annuity. B. Debt. C. Amortization. D. Deposit. Answer: annuity. 20. The place where buyers and sellers come together? A. Market. B. Business. C. Recreation center. D. Buy and sell section. Answer: market. 21. A market whereby there is only one buyer of an item for which there are no goods substitute? A. Monopsony. B. Oligopoly. C. Monopoly. D. Oligopsony. Answer: monopsony. 22. It is a series of equal payments occurring at equal interval of time, where the first payment is made after several periods after the beginning of the payment? A. Perpetuity. B. Ordinary annuity. C. Annuity due. D. Deferred annuity. Answer: deferred annuity. 23. The total income equal the total operating cost? A. Balance sheet. B. In place value. C. Check and balance. D. Break even, no gain loss. Answer: break even, no gain loss. 24. Kind of obligation which has no condition attached? A. Analytic. B. Pure. C. Gratuitous. D. Private. Answer: gratuitous. 25. Direct labor costs incurred in the factory and direct material costs of all materials that go into production. The sum of these two direct costs is known as A. GS&A expenses. B. Operating and maintenance cost. C. Prime cost. D. O&M cost. Answer: prime cost. 26. An index of short-term paying ability is called? A. Receivable turnover. B. Profit margin ratio. C. Current ratio. D. Acid test ratio. Answer: acid test ratio. 27. An artificial expenses that spreads purchase price of an asset or another property over a number of years. A. Depreciation. B. Sinking fund. C. Amnesty. D. Bond. Answer: depreciation. 28. Estimated value at the end of the useful life. A. Market value. B. Fair value. C. Salvage value. D. Book value. Answer: salvage value. 29. Consists of the actual counting or determination of the actual quantity of the materials on hand as of a given date. A. Physical inventory. B. Material update. C. Technological assessment. D. Material count. Answer: physical inventory. 30. A series of uniform accounts over a period of time. A. Depreciation. B. Annuity. C. Perpetuity. D. Inflation. Answer: annuity.